Poor guy, doing a poor meal. Leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese. How many times have I done that? I don't know. Maybe a dozen. I got some ground beef there. I didn't go with 80-20. I went with the leaner beef just because I don't want all the grease. And with the mac and cheese. Look at this. We do not throw out mac and cheese. No, sir. No, ma'am. So we eat it one way or another. This is what we're doing. That ground beef, it's kind of a taco mac. I think this is a thing. I saw it on the internet, the World Wide Web. This is homemade taco seasoning. Don just made this for me. Let's sprinkle it on there. Oh yeah, liberally. Did I say liberal? I don't know. Taco seasoning. See, it says it right here. Taco seasoning. There's the mailman. Oh yeah, look at that. Smells delicious. Ground beef, I think it was 95% lean. And you can see there is not much fat coming out of there, and I'm okay with that. Got that working. Now let's work on this mac and cheese. I got this Blackstone on high right now. Oh yeah, it's gonna stick. Not really. It'll clean up nicely. But really what we're gonna do is incorporate these two together. Add some extra cheese on it. Hey, Aiden, should we use that Fiesta blend or should we get the Cabot cheese? The sharp cheddar. What do you think? Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Plus we got it. Well, oh yeah, we got that whole other thing of Cabot cheese that's for tacos. For Taco Tuesday or Nacho Tuesday, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is kind of stupid, huh? Well, that's what poor guy does. See, I want that crispiness. That'll be okay. That'll clean up. Don't worry. The Blackstone. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is going to be a great meal. A great lunch. I can feel it now. Get rid of that. All right, let's mix these together. Smells delicious. Time to turn it down. Yes. Are you feeling me? Yeah. Taco Mac. Taco Mac. Leftover Stouffer's. It actually smells really good. All right, let's do a scrape. We're going to let that crisp up a little bit. Add some cheese. Dome it. And eat it. Let's see. Fiesta blend, Walmart. Oh yeah. More?
Yeah, more.
More. Yeah, poor guy. That's why they call me the poor guy. I make poor guy food. Leftovers, don't throw it out. Too expensive. Too expensive. Yeah. Hear that sizzle? Oh boy. Well, we'll have to work on that a little bit off camera. It'll be all right. Let me get my lid. Be right back. It's going to be delectable. You're still recording? Yeah. There's my lid. A little dirty. A little dirt's not going to hurt you once in a while. All right, this is going to get all done. We're going to bring it in the house and we'll give it a taste test. Pretty stupid video, huh? Yeah. Probably used to it. Peace. Look it. There it is. Looks good. Smells good. Taco Mac. Everybody want to try it? Yeah. Everybody's here. Oh, it's cheesy for real.
Oops. Okay.
You ready?
3, 2, 1. I like it. Good.
That's actually really good.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm digging it.
Aiden doesn't like it.
Aiden doesn't like it?
I don't not like it.
Look at your face.
Well, I'm trying to think about it.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to give accurate descriptions.
Mm.
Imagine ground beef with Stouffer's mac and cheese with taco seasoning in it.
Wow.
Bam, right there.
That's
Perfect.
like
What is
key.
it? Say that again. I wasn't listening.
He just basically described what it was.
Oh.
It is good. I think it belongs with something now.
Yeah, definitely.
You know?
Frank's?
Sure.
Yeah.
I
No,
was thinking a crunchy taco.
Oh, I was thinking those little cans of those green chili things.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Possibly.
Yeah.
Hash chili.
Yeah.
This is really good. I'm digging it.
I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all right.
It's good.
And we're using our leftovers. It's a lunch. It's a late lunch. And I'm just going to keep it eating in camera because I really like it. All right. There you have it. Another leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese meal. What the heck? Why not? All right. That's what we got this week. Peace.